You can use Cardiff Connected to build your network and connect with other alumni who can help you with your job search. You can ask questions about securing employment in their industry, get top tips of interviewing at their company, or ask for a CV review. So to start, we go to the directory where you'll be able to find all registered users of the platform. Then go to the right-hand side of the screen to filters. Here you can help to narrow down your search via topics such as company, industry, and location. We'll start with the Get Involved tab. Click on Offering to Help and make your selections. This will show you all users who have said they are willing to help, which is shown by the gold banner. Then, if you're interested in searching for someone from a specific company, go to the Work Experience drop-down. Here you can enter the company name. In this instance, I'm interested in searching for any alumni on the platform who work at Olio, the food sharing app. I can see from my search that Georgie works there, so I click into her profile where I'm able to see a little bit more about her work experience and also alumni details. To send Georgie a message, I click the Message tab and then I enter my text. Once that's ready to go, I click Send, and Georgie will then receive an email saying I've tried contacting her from within the platform. Once Georgie replies, I'll be able to find her response in the inbox, and I'll also be prompted with an email to let me know she's got in touch. Similarly, I can also use the directory to search for contacts in a specific industry using the industry filters. Again, using the Work Experience drop-down, I click on the Industry tab and I can search for whatever industry I'd like. In this case, I'd like to search for public relations and communications. This will then show me registered users who are willing to help from within that industry. I scroll through the list and I can see that Nicola is a marketing executive, but she didn't study marketing at university. I didn't study marketing either, so I'd really like to speak with Nicola and find out a bit more about how she broke into the industry. Again, I click Message, enter my text and send. If I head back to the directory, I can also search for someone by name, location, and also by job function. So there are lots of easy ways for me to build my network and support my job search using Cardiff Connected.